Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to create Gauthmath account. First, open up the application, then tap on Agree and Continue. Then keep tapping on Continue till you get this screen. Give Gauthmath the permission it needs. Then tap here on Profile. Then tap here on Sign Up. You can either type in your email address here or just sign up with Google. I'm going to sign up with Google, so just tap on Google here. Select your Google account. Set your username as per your choice. Select in which grade you are and tap on Start. And now you have successfully created your Gauthmath account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.